So the Galaxy Z Flip 7 just got its biggest leak yet. And yes, we finally get a good look at that massive edge-to-edge cover screen in action. It's real, it's working, and it looks stunning. But that's not the whole story. You see, the video also quietly answers one of the biggest design questions we've had since early renders first surfaced, and it's a detail that's easy to miss if you're not paying close attention. We'll get to that in a moment, but first, let's break down what we're actually seeing in this hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing you'll notice is that the cover display now takes up the entire top half of the phone. It's by far the most dramatic design shift since the Flip series began, and in fact, it almost looks like a mini phone on the outside now. You can see how smooth and responsive the display actually is, widgets flipping through, UI animations looking fluid, and overall, just a much more useful outer screen. Inside, Samsung is also increasing the main foldable screen to 6.9 inches compared to 6.7 inches on the Flip 6. As for the physical dimensions, Samsung has also made the device 0.8mm thinner when folded and 0.4mm thinner when unfolded. But without the two phones next to each other, it's hard to really notice that in this video. Also, it seems the borders around the screen still look to be the same size as before, which is understandable since it helps to protect the display when the phone is folded. Now, while all of these upgrades are impressive, there's been one lingering question about the Flip 7's design that we haven't had a clear answer to, and that is, what will the display area next to the cameras be used for? When scrolling through the cover screen pages and widgets, that area is simply used for displaying the date and time. There is also a white dot that could be an indicator that you have unread notifications. It's likely that area will also be used to display the Now bar when supported activities like music, playback, and timer countdown are running. However, we will have to wait for the official unveiling of the phone, or for an even more detailed leak, to see if that's the case. That said, we'll be keeping a close eye on newer leaks in the coming days leading up to the launch, so we suggest you subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.